Goals versus vision. The secret to unlocking your future. All right, let's settle this right now. Goals or vision? Which one's the real game changer? If you've ever wondered why some people seem to crush it while others just stall out, this is the answer you've been waiting for. In the next 7 minutes, I'm breaking down the massive difference between a goal and a vision. And trust me, it's not what you think. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly how to stop spinning your wheels and start building a life that people can't stop talking about. Let's dive in. So here's the big question I keep hearing. What's the difference between a goal and a vision? Aren't they the same thing? Spoiler alert, nope, not even close. And if you're mixing them up, you might be holding yourself back from something incredible. Let's break it down, because once you get this, that it's like unlocking a cheat code for life. Goals, the sprint. First off, a goal is like a sprint. It's short, it's specific, and it has a finish line. Think about it. I want to lose 10 pounds by summer. I want to save $5,000 by December. I want to run a 5K without passing out. Boom. Checklist items with a deadline. You hit it, you celebrate, maybe crack open a soda, and then what? That's the thing with goals. They end. They're like beating a level in a video game. Satisfying? Sure. But then you're just sitting there waiting for the next level to load. Vision the marathon. Now, a vision, that's a whole different beast. A vision is like an open world game, no finish line, no game over screen. It's this big, juicy picture of what you want your life or the world to look like. Imagine someone like Elon Musk. He's not sitting there going, cool, I built one rocket, I'm done. No. His vision is colonizing Mars, changing humanity's future, stuff that doesn't have an expiration date. It just keeps growing, evolving, and pulling him forward. Key difference number one, lifespan. Goals have a timer. Tick tock, get it done. Vision, no clock. It's eternal, like a vampire with better hair. Goals say, I'll do this by Friday. Vision says, I'm building something that outlives me. Key difference number two, structure. Goals are like a to-do list. Want to buy a car? Save $500 a month, research models test drive, sign the papers. Step by step, like following a recipe for mac and cheese. Vision, that's not a list. It's a mission. It's painting a masterpiece. Take someone like Taylor Swift. Her vision isn't sell 1 million albums. It's create music that defines a generation. No checklist can contain that. It's a vibe, a movement, a story she's telling the world. Key difference number three, direction versus dream. Goal setters are the GPS of life. Turn left here, call this person, finish this task. They make sure the plane takes off on time. Visionaries, they're the ones dreaming up where the plane's going. Like, what if we built a floating city in the sky? Uh, Goal setters give you the how. Visionaries give you the why. One's logical, the other's emotional. Can goal setters be visionaries? Can visionaries set goals? Here's the truth. They need each other. Picture this. A visionary is like a chef dreaming up a wild new dish. Imagine a burger that tastes like your childhood. Awesome, right? But without a goal setter, the one who says, okay, we need beef, buns, and a grill by 5 p.m., that burger's just a fantasy. On the flip side, goal setters without a vision are like robots assembling IKEA furniture with no idea what it's for. Efficient, sure, but where's the soul? The smartphone. Think about the phone in your hand. Steve Jobs didn't wake up saying, I'll sell 1,000 phones by Christmas. That's a goal. His vision was put a computer in everyone's pocket that's so sexy they can't live without it. The engineers, the goal setters, figured out the nuts and bolts. Vision drew the map. Goals built the roads. Why this matters? But here's where it gets juicy. Goal setters can burn out. Hit the target, pop the confetti, then now what? They're like sprinters who collapse after the race. Visionaries don't stop. They're marathon runners who see a horizon that keeps stretching. Ever notice how some people, like a coach who's won 10 championships, still talk like they're just getting started? That's vision. It's a fire that doesn't go out. Quick challenge. Okay, time out. Before we keep rolling, here's a quick challenge. If you're loving this breakdown, and I know you are, smash that like button right now. Seriously, do it. It's like high-fiving me through the screen. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that button too, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, challenge accepted? Cool. Now let's get back to unlocking your future. How to make goals and vision work for you. So where were we? Oh yeah, Goals and vision need to team up. But here's the trap. Some goal setters try so hard to be visionaries, and it's like watching a cat try to bark. They can fake it for a day. Oh, I've got this big dream. But then they're back to spreadsheets and checklists. Same with visionaries. They'll try to micromanage, but give it a week and they're lost in the clouds again. Which one are you? Here's a fun way to test yourself. If you're always saying, I need to finish this project by Tuesday, you're a goal setter. If you're always saying, imagine if we turn this into something that blows everyone's mind, well, heck, you're a visionary. Neither's better. They're just different superpowers. Take a movie director. The visionary sees the epic blockbuster, explosions, tears, Oscars. The goal setter, the producer, says, we need 50 extras on set by 7 a.m. Without both, you're either stuck with a script no one films or a perfectly scheduled flop. The ultimate power move. So, how do you make this work for you? If you're a goal setter, find a visionary to inspire you, someone who lights that spark. If you're a visionary, surround yourself with goal setters who will ground your dreams in reality. Think of it like a heist movie. The visionary is the mastermind plotting the impossible job. The goal setters are the crew, the locksmith, driver, hacker, making it happen. Together, they're unstoppable. Alone, good luck. Goals get you moving. Vision keeps you going. If this hit home for you, click that subscribe button because we're just getting started. Check out those recommended videos, share this with someone who needs it, and let's keep the fire burning. The world's waiting. Go make it yours.